హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ శ్రీ ట్యూటోరియల్స్. సో ఈరోజు మనం మొఘల్ ఎంపైర్ ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్ పార్ట్ 1 చేయబోతున్నామండి. ఇంకా ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా వీడియోలోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. హూ వాజ్ ది ఫౌండర్ ఆఫ్ మొఘల్ ఎంపైర్ ఇన్ ఇండియా? ది కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ బాబర్. ఇన్ విచ్ ఇయర్ డిడ్ బాబర్ డిఫీట్ ఇబ్రహీం లోడి అట్ ఫస్ట్ బ్యాటిల్ ఆఫ్ పానీపట్? ది కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 1526 CE. Babur was related to Timur from his dad's side, father's side. The word Mughal is derived from which word? The correct answer is Mongol. Who was the second Mughal ruler of India? The correct answer is Humayun. Humayun was defeated by Sher Shah Suri at which places? The correct answer is Chauza and Kanauj. After his defeat, Humayun took shelter in. The correct answer is Iran. With whose help did Humayun recapture Delhi in 1555 CE? The correct answer is Safavid Shah of Iran. Sher Shah Suri belonged to which community? The correct answer is Afghan. Sher Shah Suri established which dynasty? The correct answer is Sur dynasty. Which of the following reforms was introduced by Sher Shah Suri? The correct answer is land revenue system. Sher Shah Suri died due to the correct answer is artillery explosion. At what age did Akbar ascend the throne? The correct answer is 13 years. Who was the Akbar's guardian during his early rule? The correct answer is Bairam Khan. Himu was defeated by Akbar in which battle? The correct answer is Second Battle of Panipat. Akbar followed a policy of cordial relationships in which group? The correct answer is Rajputs. Which Rajput ruler opposed Akbar throughout his life? The correct answer is Maharana Pratap. Salim ascended the throne with the title. The correct answer is Jahangir. Jahangir was especially interested in. The correct answer is birds and animals. Who took over the administration when Jahangir fell ill? The correct answer is Noor Jahan. Ibadat Khan was built by Akbar at Fatehpur Sikri. In which year did Akbar build the Ibadat Khana? The correct answer is 1575 CE. Din-e-Ilahi was proclaimed by the Akbar in 1582 CE. The literal meaning of Din-e-Ilahi is peace with all. Din-e-Ilahi remained a court religion. The main occupation of people during the Mughal period was. The correct answer is agriculture. The most important source of income of the Mughal Empire was. The correct answer is land revenue. The extensive road network of the Mughal Empire helped mainly in expansion of trade. Which coins were standardized by the Mughals? The correct answer is rupee and dam. The dam was in copper coin. The Mansabdari system was introduced by. The correct answer is Akbar. Mansab means. The correct answer is rank or position. The Mansabdari system was used to fix rank, salary, and military duties. Akbar maintained relations with Rajputs mainly through. Correct answer is marriages and high positions. The Sisodias did not accept. The correct answer is Mughal authority. During which reign did revolts increase greatly? The correct answer is Aurangzeb. Akbar abolished which taxes on Hindus? The correct answer is Ziya's tax and pilgrim tax. The majority of population during the Mughal period were. The correct answer is Hindus. Zapt system was related to. The correct answer is revenue administration. The Zapt system was developed under the supervision of. The correct answer is Raja Todarmal. Zapt system was implemented based on the average of. The correct answer is C. 10 years. Land revenue under the Zapt system ranged from. The correct answer is 1/3 to 1/2. Mughal architecture mainly used. The correct answer is marble. Fatehpur Sikri was built to honor. The correct answer is Sheikh Salih Shishti. Buland Darwaza was built to commemorate. The correct answer is victory over Gujarat. Buland Darwaza is also known as. The correct answer is Victory Arch. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ వీడియో. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం ప్లీజ్ లైక్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.